Welcome back to the kitchen, everybody. Today, I got a salmon chowder just for you guys. That's right. Super delicious, super simple. Have you ever had a chowder? If not, save these ingredients, pause it, take a look at it, see what you got to get done, get it gathered up, because this dish is amazing. Super delicious. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Honestly, I don't know why I haven't thought of this before, but a clam chowder is quite normal. Most people know it by that, but me, I've decided to come up with something different because I'm allergic to shellfish. So guess what? Why should I luck out on that seafood chowder? Why not hit it up with some salmon? Trust me, it sounds weird, but it is super delicious. Doesn't give it a fishy taste. You gotta try this, guys. So in a skillet, go ahead, get you your pound of hickory smoked bacon. Just get it all spliced up in there like you see me doing and cook it down. While we're working on that bacon being cooked, go ahead, get your fillet of salmon and start to peel the skin. If you can find one without it, hey, that's even better. But you know what? I like this one. It comes out with the skin, and there you have it. Super simple. Just get a fillet knife, go very gently, go right under the skin, and boom. Now, skin removed, we're just going to cube up our salmon. What does that mean? Simple. What I just said. Cube it up. Go ahead, cut it down the long way. Then you're just going to go ahead and roughly chop this up. But the key is you do not want super huge chunks of meat in this. You want this to cook down relatively quick. And surprisingly, your salmon does not fall apart inside this chowder. So cut it up. Roughly a ½ inch size cube would be amazing, as you see right here. That is perfect, guys. This is what you want. Absolutely amazing. Now, remember that bacon? That's right. Don't let it burn. Continue to stir that bacon. You don't want it super crispy, and you don't want it fatty. So what do you want? You want this right here. This is the perfect in-between. That's right. You got some crunchiness to it, but you still got that fatty fat. All right, next step, get you a Dutch oven or some sort of pot and pour in some of that bacon grease. We're not going to let this go to waste, guys. This is all that flavor. Trust me. Trust the process, guys. Start chopping up that bacon while that is getting heated up. That's right. Chop it up. You want it into fine, crunchy little bits of goodness. I don't know how I didn't eat all this. By the way, this isn't a full pound. I ate a little bit of it, but not all of it. All right, to a hot Dutch oven, go ahead, add you 1 shallot, followed by some celery, followed by your chopped carrots, and give that a good stirring. This is going to be cooked down till those shallots are translucent. And once that's been cooking, you're going to go ahead and hit it with your cloves of garlic. Get that chopped up and thrown into the pot and stir it up. And do not let the garlic burn. It will taint this dish beyond repair. So just keep an eye on it, guys. All right, like I said, keep an eye on it. Continue to stir it. Make sure it's not burnt. This is what you're looking for. The shallots are translucent. So go ahead and add in your butter. Hey, get back in the pan there. It was sticking. And guys, just let this melt down and continue to stir it, because we're going to start the next step is our roux. What does that mean? Get you your flour, throw it in there, sprinkle a little bit in at a time, and stir that in. Sometimes you see a chunky roux. Other times you see a gooey roux, as I call it. This is what I'm going for, is a gooey roux where it's not so chunky. It's going to make it for a richer, creamier soup. Follow that up with your potatoes, and then comes the next process. 6 cups of chicken broth. That's right. Get it in there. You guys, you don't have to use chicken broth. If you want to use a fish broth, you can do that as well. But I didn't want too much of a fishy flavor. I believe if you're using a clam chowder, you would definitely use a fish stock. But I used the chicken stock. Then you're going to come in with a Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, whatever it's called. Follow it up by your salt, your pepper, your onion powder, garlic powder, your paprika. Get it all in the pan there. That's right. You see me kind of do it out of order, but hey, that's how I do it. I just do it. You watch the video. You put it in with whatever you want, flavor however you want. Make sure to stir it. And don't forget, taste test. This is very important. Taste test it. As you can see, mine was good. Slap a lid on it and you are good. All right. By the way, guys, forgot to tell you, 10 minutes into cooking, go ahead, add you a 4th cup of milk. What is that going to do? That's going to give it a lighter color. That is what you're looking for right here. That's why it looks a lot lighter than what it did going in before. Go ahead, taste test, add what you need. This is amazing. Add you your corn. Get that all in there. That's right. That is super sweet corn, by the way. You can use sweet corn. I don't know if there's a difference, but either way, it is good. Get that in there. Stir it all in. and just let this cook down. You were cooking down the flour, cooking down all the ingredients to taste good together. Look at this. Look at this. This is coming together beautifully, guys. Just continue to stir so nothing sticks to the bottom. By the way, your heat should be at medium. Now comes the important part. Add in that bacon. Get it in there. Dump it all in there, and you're going to go ahead and give that a good, healthy stir. Cannot stress enough, guys. Do not let the potatoes or anything burn to the bottom. Now come in and add your heavy whipping cream. This is going to give it that creamy texture that we have come to enjoy out of a chowder. Chowder. Hear that? The New England part is coming out. No, I'm kidding. It's a chowder. Get that in there and let it cook down. This only takes an hour to cook, guys. Absolutely amazing. Within the last 15 to 20 minutes, go ahead and add in your salmon. That is going to allow this salmon to be cooked to perfection. It is going to come out amazing, guys. Trust the process. Trust me when I tell you it's going to be good. Get you your rosemary. That's the time you're going to put that in there. That's right. That's the time. Get it? Because that's the next ingredient coming up. Hit that with some thyme, guys. Fresh thyme is the best. But if you can't get it, dried thyme is good as well. I just happen to have some of this laying around, so we added it to it, and it's amazing. Either way, you cook this how you want, but taste test is super important. Add some salt or pepper as needed. Mine was good to go. Put a lid on it, let it cook for the last 20 minutes, and take a look, guys. Take a look at this. It's coming together. Look at that fish in there. Look it. It's gorgeous. And believe it or not, I'm telling you, it's not going to leave the broth tasting fishy. Trust it. You got to try this. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah. Maddie says it smells great. Let's go. Go ahead. Get you a bowl. Plate it up with some biscuits and start eating it. I can't wait to take it. No. Darn it. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with that country twist. And as always, thank you and watching for liking and subscribing. Please see me in the kitchen next time.